happening, loud and proud crowd? Hopefully you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. So we have got a good video for you guys today. And you know what that video is going to be about? I'll just go out and say it because you're already going to know by the title and thumbnail. New wheels and tires for the 3rd gen. Now I know this is a very delayed video. I was expecting to do this one over a week or 2 ago. However, the timing just didn't happen. They just didn't show up on time. All that being said, we got them in now. We're going to go get them installed today. They look amazing. It's a brand we've never gone with. No, they're not sponsoring this. You guys are about to see the wheel and tire setup. I think you guys are going to really like it. And like I said this whole time, I've got some people that said, you know, they don't like the fender flares or they don't like the headlights and taillights and the grill yet, but you guys are going to really understand today why I went with what I did on this truck and why I'm keeping certain aspects of this truck, and it's all going to make a lot more sense because the wheel and tire setup that's going on this, especially the wheel, it goes with the vibe of the truck and the vibe of the build. And in case you didn't hear, yes, we do have the transmission on this bad boy built, and this thing pulls. I'm telling you, the power goes straight to those rear tires or all fours if you're doing a launch, depends on what you're doing, and this thing just pulls. Now, of course, this is under factory power still, so you're not going to have that super quick get up and go like it would with all the stuff that we're going to be doing to it. I gotta say, even with a built transmission in this truck with just a straight pipe exhaust and factory power, drives so much better, and that is credit due to the guys over at Maximum Overdrive Transmission. If you talk to Jim, he's the owner over there. I'm 99.9% sure. And if you talk to him, he'll tell you exactly what you need based on what you're doing with the truck. And they build their transmissions specific to the use of the vehicle. They can also do it for multi-purpose use. However, this transmission was built for street performance with the exception of towing here and there. So this transmission is not built for only one thing. It's not like it's built to be a drag truck. It's not like it's built to do, you know, dirt drags or sled pulls, but they do that kind of stuff. So you just got to tell them what you want, tell them what you want your build to be, and they will make sure they offer you the best and highest quality build for your money. I guarantee you that. Hello everybody, here we are. We've got the TIS off-road wheels. They're 20 by 12s with 33 by 1250 R20 Fury. I think they're Country Hunter, or what are they called? Yeah, Country Hunter MTs. Why I went with this wheel brand, no specific reason. I was just looking through wheels online, and Reagan and I were like, oh, these look cool. Those would look perfect with that build. So we just found a wheel that would look perfect with the headlights, taillights, you know, fender flares, the grill, all that stuff. Something that would match what we were trying to go for in terms of the vibe of the truck and like the appearance, like presence of the truck that we're trying to give it. And we just thought this is a perfect combination for that. So that's the only reason. I think they're gonna look pretty freaking sweet. We're gonna get these bolted up to the truck and I think they're gonna look pretty freaking good. Okay, so I do have one side on. Now before I put on the other side, I want to show you the difference between the side of the 20 by 12 TIS off-road wheels and the side without, so you guys can really understand just how much more stance it really does give the truck, because I know that once I put these all on, if I don't show you in the moment when I have both sides on and compare them in real time back and forth, it might be kind of hard to really understand just how much different they really are. So here's the side with the TIS off-road wheels. I'm not going to show you the entire wheel, but you can see how much it sticks out. I mean, probably 2 inches outside of the fender flare there. And over here, same thing. Probably 2.5 inches outside the fender flare. Sticking out right there. I'll show you the other side here with the ones that are on it now. They pretty much sit flush with the fender flares. Let me show you from up top again here. That's where they sit with the flares. And I'll show you the backs. They look like they have a little bit of stance, but as soon as you line it up to where the wheel lines up with itself, you look at the top of the flare down, they don't really stick out.
I ain't never done. I'll be number one, working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooters gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won, yeah. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine, yeah. Everything I do, I'm just being genuine, yeah. I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline, yeah. I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
So hopefully you can hear me over the sound of the highway. We are right here by the BorgWarner plant, actually, not too far from Indianapolis. So we've got the 3rd gen here, looks really good. Like I said, TIS off-road, 20x12s, 8on6.5, 33x1250, Fury Country Hunter MTs, and let me show you something else. So what we also did here was spiked lug nuts, because it's just kind of been a thing I like lately. I've just really liked spiked lug nuts. I don't know why. It's not like I need them, but they look cool. And then spiked valve stem caps, so it kind of goes with the theme of the spiked, you know, lug nuts and stuff like that. And overall, I think this look is really, really good for the truck, and I think it really puts out the right vibe. Like I said, we wanted something that would go with the headlights, the grille, and the wheels and tires would match. You know, so everything just kind of like tied together. I wanted that vibe, and I think that's what we did. And I think the look really tied together on this truck the way that I was hoping it would. I mean, it looks really good. And like I said with the stance, it doesn't stick out a ton, but it sticks up probably 2 inches past these 2-inch flares. And I wanted to keep the flares on, just because, you know, there are some guys out there that prefer that look, and they're not like a gigantic overkill fender flare that covers up the entire, you know, wheel and tire setup, but it probably is just enough to like help us from rock chips and, you know, minor damage and flaws like that. But overall, I think we really nailed the look of the truck, like with what we were wanting to go for, and I think we got that right on point. And one more thing, guys, before we end out this video, I want you guys to know that starting tomorrow, August 17th, we are going to do double entries again. So every $5 will get you 2 entries to win, and that will go until the last day of the giveaway. We're gonna do the last 2 weeks again, because I don't like doing it only like a few days or something really, really short, because I want everybody to have the opportunity to be able to get those double entries in. So for everybody that's wanting to enter, they can get their shot in at winning that truck. So the last 15 days of the giveaway are here, and these last 15 days, every $5 will get you 2 entries to win that truck. And let me just tell you, you want that truck in your driveway. It's pretty freaking cool. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for all the love and support. You guys are absolutely fantastic. Do not forget to enter to win this truck, because it could very easily be yours. Thank you guys so much. Leave a fat thumbs up, comment down below on what you think of the wheel and tire setup and the overall appearance of the truck. We're not done with it yet. We've got a lot to do, but hopefully so far you guys are liking the way it's turning out. Subscribe if you're new, join the team, join the family, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head